2 minus 9 divided by 8 times 9. 2 minus 9. Some people solve it wrongly by starting with the subtraction. Okay? The moment you start with the subtraction, you're already getting it wrong. So 2 minus 9. This is going to give us minus 7. Okay? Minus 7 divided by 8 times 9. So minus 7 divided by 8 is going to give us minus 0.875 times this 9. So if we multiply this is going to give us minus 7.875. So this is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, okay, so we are solving with these rules from left to right. Okay, so we are using these rules from left to right. So what we are going to do is to follow the order of operation. 2 minus 9 divided by 8 times 9. Alright, so now what is the correct way of solving this? I will show you a fraction method to solve this question. So what are we going to do? We can rewrite this division. Since we are solving from left to right, we have to do the division before multiplication. So if we do this first, we are going to have so I want us to write it in a fraction form like this, which is 2 minus, alright, 9 over 8 times 9. So if we do it like this, it will be easier for us to solve. Okay, so let's multiply this. So 2 minus 9 times 9 is going to give us 81 over what? Over 8. Now we have a fraction method for this question already. So let's put over 1 here to make the fraction easy for us. So we are going to use the LCM method to solve this question. So let's see the LCM method. Lowest common multiple. So the LCM between 1 and 8 is 8. So you draw your division line here. 1 divided by 8 is 8. 8 times 2 is going to give us 60. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 81 is going to give us 81. So put your subtraction sign here. So this is equals to what? 16 minus 81 is going to give us minus 65 over what? 8. Now we have an answer already, but this answer is an improper fraction. So I want us to change this answer to a mixed fraction. So if we change this answer to a mixed fraction, what are we going to get? 8 will go into 65 how many times? It will go into 65 8 times, right? So put our 8 here. Remember what is going to remain? We are going to have 1 left, then over 8 over this 8. Alright, to confirm if our answer is correct, 8 times 8 is 64. 64 plus 1 equals 65. So you put your negative sign because the answer is carrying a negative sign. Alright, so now we have a mixed fraction as an answer also. So I would like us to see the decimal answer for this question. I want us to get a decimal answer for this question. So let's draw our division line like this. So we are bringing our 65. First of all, just ignore the negative sign first. Let's divide. So if we use our long division like this, 8 will go into this 65. How many times? It will go 8 times. So put your 8 here. And let's multiply. 8 times 8 is going to give us 64. So when we subtract, 65 minus 64 is going to give us 1. Alright? 8 divided by 1 cannot divide it, okay? So you put your point here and add 0 to this one. Alright? So now 8 can divide. Okay, so 8 will divide this 10 how many times? It can only divide it one times. So there's going to be a remainder. Forget about the remainder for now. So 8 into this 10 is 1. 1 times 8 is going to give us 8. Put your 8 here, let's subtract. So if we subtract 10 minus 8 is going to give us 2. Okay, so 8 cannot divide 2, so add 0 because there is already a decimal point there, no need writing decimal. So 8 will go into this 20 how many times? 2 times, right? 2 times 8 is what? 16. So we are going to subtract. So 20 minus 16 is going to give us 4. Okay, 8 cannot divide 4, so I'm going to add 0. So 8 will divide 40 how many times? 5 times. Alright, 5 times 8 is going to give us 40. So we subtract. So if you subtract 40 minus 40, you're going to have 0. So we have gotten our final answer. So our final answer for the decimal is 8.125. Remember, our answer was carrying a negative sign, so you put the negative sign in front of the answer. So for this particular question, we have 3 answers. Okay, the first answer is an a improper fraction. The second answer is a mixed fraction, while the third answer is a decimal number. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like this video, comment, turn on your notification button, your notification bell for more videos. Thank you.